Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have to learn about Python programming language. Otherwise, it is a high-level language. In this high-level language or scripting language plus coding language is called Python. So in this Python tutorial, we have to learn very easy tips and tricks. So whatever it in this Python programming language. In this tutorial, we already explained full information. So friends, one thing I want to say about you. So be with a concentrated, with a peace of mind and with a confidence to watch this total video. After watching this total video, if you have any doubts and clarify in the comment box. So friends, last but not least, knowledge is a power. So you want to gain your knowledge and try to make a develop from this knowledge is a power. So why we are waiting? So let's begin the show and watch completely. Learn Python is very easy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Take your own separate notes or take your personal computer or take your mobile and open notepad after whatever it. So you observe correct, you concentrate correct on this video, on this tutorial. After that you realize what is what you realize after the completion of Python programming course. So guys, step number 1, first we have to install the PyCharm. After that installation, so we have to continue the process. So completely watch this video to learn and gain your knowledge from here. Knowledge is a power. So friends, simply go to your Chrome or Microsoft Edge in your personal computer. So after that, here the search bar and search like PyCharm. Sorry for that way. Search PyCharm. After that, here we go to see like PC. This PyCharm is very interesting and very easy to execute the code. So that's why it's using now. So easy. So click to the PyCharm, and after that, here we go to see. Here we have a download option button. So click here to download. After that, clicking, we are entering to this page. After that, so here we go to see here the download option. So from exe Windows, so it's for enough for Windows, so not for ARM64. So download, click the download. After the download, I am already downloaded this. So simply use a Ctrl+J to see downloads. So after that, easy we have to see. Here we go. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its reliability, readability, and simplicity. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. So friends, Python is widely used in web development, data science, automation, and many other fields. So friends, if you got one doubt, why we are learning Python? So it's very easy to say. So Python is very easy programming language. Python syntax is simple and intuitive, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Python can be used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more, etc. They have community support. Python has a large and active community, which means plenty of resources and libraries are available. So for this Python having a high demand, Python developers are greater than true. So you compulsory use parenthesis, double brackets and parenthesis. So here we go to see. Without double quotes, Python instruction ways are getting errors to our code. So simply enter. So after that, here we go to see, after that run. After that running, so here we go to see our output 5 is greater than 2. It's possible without any error. So this is the indentation method in Python. So after that we have to know comments. So how we are using use comments in Python? Simply with the use of hashtag we can use several what you like, what you mention, what you give name to your topic, your code, a side of the code in this workspace. In this workspace, a side of the code, you can give everything: side of the code, in front of the code, backward of the code, left, right, everywhere. You give hashtag to text your comments. So I'm giving like this. Just follow this, or which you like to give, which you want to give, you can give. So this is a single line comment. So here we go to see, enter correct spelling. Without spelling mistakes, we can't get errors. So this is a single line comment. After that, simply enter, then print with open parentheses and double commas. After that, hello. Simply click same hello, give comma and give space and world. Enter world. After that, click enter. After you entered, from these third line code, I want to give some comment. What is that? This is another single line comment in step number 3. It's perfect. So here we go to see, click on run. Here we go to see in output workspace. So hello world without any errors. So this is the indentation. After this is the comments in Python. So after that, we have before this we only see single line comment, but now we can see multi-lined comments. So how they form, how they will give text with by using hashtag. So simply, if you got any questions, then clarify in comment box. So simply here we go to see and give the hashtag to enter anything if you want. Okay, after that, here we go to see hashtag. This is a multi-line comments. This is a multi-line comment. So you can write multiple lines of comments. A side of your code or front of your code, anywhere in the workspace. That's it. So next, it is the main most important and valuable, precious, crucial. Briefly, we want to see and we want to explain about this. It is the main thing in Python: variables and data types. So simply here we go to see in hashtag variables and data types. In these variables and data types, variables are used to store the data. Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. Understand, guys? Once again I repeating. Variables are used to store data. Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. So easily, first we have to see here variable assignment. So simply take variable assignment. So variable assignment. So sorry for that spelling mistake. Variable assignment. So simply take a one of the variable. Which variable in alphabetics you take a one of the variable. So I am taking one variable like x. After that I am giving some gap, and after that using equal operator and giving some gap, I am giving a sum of the value. It's 5. After that I will taking second variable, same as like giving equal operator and taking like my name is Charan. So that's it. After that enter. So easily print open parenthesis with upper double commas. So print x as like same way without any confusions, and y, same, enter. After this enter, so here we go to see once we execute. So here we go to see now x y. The process finished with execute 0, but they can't print 5 and Charan. Why? So let me see. Here x is an integer and y is an string. Here we go to see. I am using comma. I am using hashtag with comma. I am using hashtag to show about this. X is a integer because having integer numbers, you know that 1 2 3 4 5 like this. This is the integer. Every numbers should be they represent to show a one of the data type is nothing but is only integer. So that's it. This is the integer. After that y is showing like a string. Why? If you got any doubt, why? So here we go to see what is a string. String is a sequence of the characters. So we are entered multiple characters in the place of y. See properly, in the place of y, my name is Charan. So that's why I am entered 6 letters in the place of y. So the string will be contains the sequence of character when it is in programming workspace. We entered a sequence of characters with double commas. They considered to follow it is a string. The Python is observes and understanding it is a string by the way of their instructable manner. So that's it. So next data types we have to see here. Here we go to see data types. Variables, it's more than enough. So here we go to see data types. So in these data types, Python supports several data types including integers, floats. Okay, integers will be understandable in variable assignment, but what is floats? So be cool, just cool. I will explain each and every one. So floats and strings and boolean. So in this way, for these few lines in this way. So now here we go to see each and every process in Python. So first we have to know input and output. After that we have to know these four data types. Okay, first basic input and output. Basic input and output. So what is the input? The user and the personal computer. The communication of user and computer. Whenever in programming page, the user attempts any code with the process of Python instructions, that is the input. So what the output? When we are given the input, without any errors, we get clear output. That is the output. So friends, we can see here we can use the print function to output dot out to the screen. Okay, so here we go to see just print with open parenthesis and closure parenthesis of double comma. So it's easily print hello, give a comma and space and well. After that, enter print 42, just 42. Here we go to see, then execute. So here go to see print function in 12th. So variable store data values, you can assign a value to a variable using the equal operator. So here we go to see, take one of the variable and give a space equal to and give a value. After that enter. Give some name is also a character. After that equal operator with double commas, give your name. After that enter. Here we go to see and run the program. So process finish will execute 0. So is the way. Next, common data types. Let me see each and every data types with clear and brief information about the data types. So data types, first one, integers. In these integers are whole numbers. If you know whole numbers without a decimal point. So here we go to see one of the code, give one a variable and equal operator, assign value and enter. After that give some of the next variable and equals to, I want to give minus 3. After that enter. So easy, print with the open parenthesis and closure parenthesis x comma y. So simply enter. After that execute the code. So here we go to see we have more errors because of the p attempted double times. So it's now correct. So here we go to see. So 5 minus 3. Print x and y. X is a 5. Okay, finished. Y is a minus 3 and finished. This is the integer way. So next we have to see floats. Next we have to, here we go to see floats. Floats are, here we go to see floats are numbers as like whole numbers, but one difference. What is that? With a decimal point to the in the between of the numbers, like here we go on double quotes and hello world. After that simply str2 equal to same gap equal to world, hello world. So after that simply we have to see, here we go to see a result equals to str1 plus what we are giving now, simply commas, give space, plus same as like same way plus str2. So simply after this just click enter. After that here we go to see clearly print function will be available. So after that click on result, give result. to enter. So what is the output we can see now? So here we go to see they got more errors because here we go to see result will be confused in the same way. So these method will be different. So here we go to see without any errors the hello world program will be printed by the using of concatenation. So here we go to see str string 1 and string 2 adding these place signs with double commas. It is a concatenation, means adding the strings. After this adding the strings, this sequence of a characters with a perfect sentence of word they can print in output by the way of Python instructable way. So this is the string concatenation. So after that repetition, in the same way repetition will be have this is the repetition. Hello, print hello, same in the way print hello. str1 same as like give plus and 3 give 3 result str3. So enter that. After print result, you have more patience, don't skip the video, it is a very useful for you. Invest your time on the to gain knowledge. So print a result. Simply here we go to see the output without here we go to see result will be confused again. So why they are confusing to give errors? So because here string 2 will be not mentioned. So see here just str2 equal operator and give world as like same way. After that here we go to see again to give str. By adding str we can't get output, we can get error. So we can't add a string 3. str means we cannot add string 3, we cannot get output, they can showing error. Here we go to see type error, can only concatenate and string not into string. So this is the way str and what the hello world and I want to give hi like this hi. After that simply execute. So line 9 module they can getting. So here we go to see by the way of this string 1 can print multiple times. How many times? Multiple times. Why multiple times? Not like 1 2, not like 2, not like 2, just it's like 3, because of we are given multiple number 3, that's why they print. So simply you can repeat easily. So here we go to see they're getting a error. So what's the use? Here we go to see we can't add in this repetition these place sign concatenation sign will be not uses. That's the way to getting error. So use only multiplication symbols like example here we go to see 1 into 1 equal to 1 and same 2 into 2 equal to 4. In this way they can repeatedly str1 repeated times. So here we go to see hello. So this is the way to repetition in strings subconcept. So after that indexing and slicing. So here we go to see guys indexing, it's very interesting. Indexing and slicing. In this indexing and slicing you can access here we go to see you can access characters. Sorry for the spelling mistakes. You can access character in your string using indexing What is an index? And what is an index? You can know about that. I will explain clearly. Substrings. Now friend, substrings using slicing. After that, so here we go to see simply follow the code and understand very carefully each and every part. So I want to give string 1 and equal operator with the sequenced characters like hello world. So simply I want to click enter. After that I want to print with the open parenthesis str1 with here in this indexing and slicing method, in the print function we compulsory used square brackets to print index. So first of all, what is an index? So you have to know. So what is an index means? So here we go to see in this hello world text, this h contains 0, this e contains, this h contains 0, this e contains 1, this l contains 2, this l contains 3. As like same way the index will be formed. So they confused here. The index will be formed. That is the index. So here we go to see print str10. So easy, we have to see here str1. What is the 1? Is h, the printed h. String 1 with the using of the square brackets we want to identify our index. Index means each one of the character will catches to store the every sequence of numbers. Every sequence of characters holds the every sequence of numbers, but the index will be starting at the point of the 0 in the positive side. So after that starts from 0. Sorry for the curly braces. In this Python we won't want to use curly braces, only use indentation. So simply starts from 0. Starts from 0. These are the comments. So next same in the way, print open parenthesis str with the using of square brackets. I want to give -1. So what they can give, see. So they got error because of print str. They want to give print str 1 -1. The output is negative indexing started from the end. By the way of this code, negative indexing starts from the end. That's it. There is no more use for that's it. After that, slicing. What is the slicing? So here we go to see in slicing just print str string 1 square brackets is to 0 is to 5. In the square brackets we want to call is to or ratio. Outside of this symbol is called indentation or colon. Indentation in Python way, so colon in simple languages way. So after that simply enter without parentheses we can get with enter. So after that here we go to see just execute hello with 0.5 ratio hello. After that the following same with the 1:5 and 1:7, 1:7, 1:2 and 7:7. The following the ratio of the given sequences of the character. So third one, string methods. String methods are is useful and important to lesson. So it is a very important topic to answer in GATE examination for BTech students. So methods, string methods. Python provides many built-in methods for strings. Here are some commonly used as ones. First one, length. Length denotes to show like length. Second one, st or string dot lower and string dot upper. String dot lower and string dot upper. So after that, fourth one, string dot strip. Afterward, string dot replace. These are the subtopics of strings: to change, to manipulate, to enter, to remove, to append, to split, in every way, in this way. So after that, we have to see first of all a length. What is the length? So why we enter the length in strings? So easy we can understand. So simply take one string 1. So after give equal operator, so easily give hello world by using here comma. It's very important to use to understand each and sequence of the character. After that, just enter, go to 9, just print, open parenthesis, len means length. It is a shortcut keyword to use. We can't use like length. Len is a keyword. So here we go to see len. After that, same, open the parenthesis and string 1 same like this, and after that with enter, just get output with the running. So here we go to see, so hello world. So here we go to see what is the length. So each length, here we go to see def print values object str none. Each of these hello world character, each and every alphabet, they contains index to follow their own way. So just index is starting from 0. By the way of this, which you can see here we got 12. So what is the length? Why okay, if you got one doubt, here the h is 0, h is 1, e is 1. Is these characters are total alphabets are presented only 10 characters. So why string can give a 12 output? If you know that, why sir, what the hell is going on here? The characters, the alphabets are presented in programming page in Python like only 10 words are presenting. So whatever that, what is that? Remaining 2 from where we got from this remaining 2? So that's the question. So when we are giving some space to each and every character, a side of a character in string 1, we giving some space, they can give it a multiple lengths. Here we go to 16. So that's the length. We are entering the sequence of the character with every gap, every space will be understanding and realizing to give out name plus and name plus and I am same in the way, same here in 10 line, give a plus and years old. By the way of this, friends, hello, my name is Charan, my name is printed. After that, this concatenation symbol will be name will be added. What you gave in name, After this added, after name, after that and I am, hi, my name is Charan, I am 23, just like they printed like that. So here we go to see once we execute. So here we go to see process executed with any zeros. By the using of print, they can get in output. This is the way. So now use without any output information, we can printing about that. After we print, we can got what we give message. So here we go to see, hello, my name is Charan and I'm years old. So why they got years old? We can't mention age here. So same, after using concatenation symbol, we use to get name, age. So after this, using the format method, using a format method. So in this name Charan, in the same way, age, sorry for this, age, same way, using the format method. What is the format method? Same as like give message, sorry for this deleted, use same message, same as like I use equal operator, my name is with curly braces, my name is and I am with curly braces years old. This every curly braces will be separates the code and understand very easily to the Python. After that they can execute and on their instructable way. After that give what we want to doing here, formatting strings. You know that formatting string, give simple dot format strings. So after that simply print message. After that they print totally with the basis of formatting with each and every point. So that's it friends, it is the strings for lecturer 1. So wait for lecturer 2, lesson 2. This is the complete guidance of lecturer 1 and practice to learn to gain your knowledge from this coding. So thank you for guys. So friends, you must practice in every situation with a peace of mind. If you got any danger situation, you won't want to practice them. When you are free with a peace of mind, with confidence and concentrated, then you and we want to move to learn and gain our knowledge. In this, knowledge is a power. So wait for lesson 2. So stay tuned.